It is therapeutic. It is self-care. Some people exercise, some people read, and they get lost. Like my mom will read, and it'll be nighttime before she knows it. And that's how I am with crafting. I just go into my zone, and the time goes by. It's great. You don't need a lot of skill. I don't want to say talent, but you don't need a lot of preparation or education. You need paper, some ink, some stamps. That's it. And then just do it. And it's also something I can do at home and not around a bunch of people. So it's something I can do by myself. I don't have to get up, I don't have to get dressed. I can just do it when I want to do it. And I describe it like it's my Zen or my yoga without having to actually stretch or exercise.